question 26. So it gives you the AD equals to DC. So you see a isosceles triangle here, and then angle AC equals to 40 degree. Angle AC dot equals to 45. So you can also mark the DAC, okay, is also 45 because it's a isosceles triangle, base angle isosceles triangle, and AE is 85 degree. So asking you the angle BAC. So you don't know this one. Okay. So after you write down the base angle isosceles triangle, then we can look at the this angle AE dot. So this one will be 180 minus 85. So this one will be use your calculator to check 95 adjacent angle on straight line, and then you can also get the A dot E, okay, by again the angle sum of triangle. So 40. Okay, after you get this one, and you can see for the upper triangle A dot C here, you know 45, you know 40 and 45, and because it's an isosceles triangle, therefore angle A dot C actually is 90 degree. So for the C dot E here will be 50. Okay, once you finish this part, actually you can find out the answer. Why? Let's look at angle A dot E and the angle BCE. What you can see? You see that both of them are 40 degree. What it means? What if we see that this one actually is in the same angles in the same segment? Okay, we can add an extra circle on this one. So you see that actually the A C dot is concyclic. Okay, so once we know that because of the converse of angle in the same segment, ABCD is concyclic, therefore we can use the angle in the same segment again. Therefore, this 50 degree can go to the BAC, therefore 50 degree again. So this is method 1. Method 1, the key point is that you must know that it is concyclic or cyclic chord by the converse of angle in the same segment. If you can spot this one, method 1 will be easy for you. What if you cannot spot it out? Then we can jump to method 2. Let's try again. So what if we don't know, okay, it is a cyclic quadrilateral? You can still finish it, okay? But before that, okay, after I mark all the angles and also the length are the same, so let the A dot to be 1. What if A dot is 1? Then A dot is 1 also. DC will be also 1 because the question tells you, okay, A dot equals to DC. Okay, therefore we know that A dot C is 90 degree by angle sum of triangle. What if A dot and DC are 1? Then what is AC? So AC, actually you know that the ratio 1 to root 2. But if you don't know it, you can also use Pythagoras theorem. So it should be square root 2. AC is square root 2. And then if you get AC is square root 2, you can find out A dot E by the exterior angle. Okay, so 85 minus 45, so you get 40 here. Okay, and then the remaining one will be 50 degree. Okay, now if you get this one, if you get the here and also the 95 degree here, you can use the sine law or cosine law. The key point is sine law and cosine law. So by looking at the triangle, we get AE divided by the sine 40 degree equals to the A dot divided by the sine 95 degree. So which triangle I'm looking at? I'm looking at triangle AE dot. So AE, this line we don't know, and it is opposite to the 40 degree, and A dot we know is 1 and opposite to the 95. So after that, we use sine law. So we calculate, okay, 1 divided by sine 95 times the sine 40, you get, okay, 0.64 something, okay, and then I store into A. I store it into A. We know that AE is, I store in A. AE is approximately 0.645242953, okay, and I store in A. Just mark this one for reminding yourself which variable store the values, okay? And then if I know that AE is this one, then can I find CE? Yes, because the whole AC is root 2, and then CE is just root 2 minus the AE. So CE I can write down is root 2 minus the AE, okay? And then this one I will store the value into B. So let's see, root 2 minus A, so it's 0.76 something. So mark it down. I store in B. Okay. And then after I know this is B, so I can what I can do is that I know BEC is 95 because of vertically opposite angles. So again, I can do sine law, okay, on the bottom triangle BEC. Again, let's do it. So BE over sine 40 degree equals to the CE over sine 45. Yes, because another one will be also 45 here. So BE is opposite to the 40 degree. CE is opposite to the 45 degree. So we know CE already. What we don't know is BE. So by this formula, by this sine law, we know that, okay, CE is I store in B divided by sine the 45 times the sine 40. Yes, I got it should be 0.9 something. Oh no, sorry, it's not, because I didn't store the B. So let's do it again. Root 2 minus A store in B. So B divided by sine 45 times the sine 40. Yes, 0.699 something. So I store in C. So BE be approximately 0.699024. Okay, and then 238 I store in C. Okay, so finally, looking at the triangle on the left, so triangle ABE, we know AE, we know BE, we know the 85 degree, so we can use cosine law to find out our A boy. So for the formula, we can have the A boy square equals to the AE square plus the BE square minus the 2 times AE times the BE times the cosine 85. So for this one, actually we can use cosine formula for the formula O2 to get it. So type the let's see, can we get the C? Yes. So formula O2, A, C, and also 85. Therefore we get the A boy. So A boy is this one. 0.909038955. I store into D. Now on the triangle A boy E, we know all the length, all the side here. Okay, A boy we know it, AE we know it, and BE we also know it. Therefore, we can again use cosine law to find the angle BACE. The lastly, okay, finally we get this. Go to the final step. Cosine angle BAE, or maybe you can write down BAC. So equals to the A boy square minus the plus the AE square minus the BE square divided by 2 times A boy times AE. So means that if I store my value into D, Okay, A boy is D square. Okay, AE is A minus A square. And then, plus A square. And then minus BE, so minus BE square minus C square. Divided by 2 times the A boy is dot. And then AE is the A arc cosine. Therefore, we get 50 degrees. Okay? So, no matter you use which method, you can also get the correct answer. But I strongly recommend you to use method 1 because if you know it's a cyclic quadrilateral, it will be very fast. But if you don't know, you can still use 2D trigonometry method to use sine law or cosine law to get this one. But you see this video is already 10 minutes and most of the time are doing with sine law, cosine law. So it's not worth it to do so. Okay, hope you can use the quickest method in your exam.